Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by checking essentials. Confirm your Tata Play account is active and note the set top box model and current firmware. Once done, connect the box to a stable network. Ethernet is best. Use strong Wi-Fi if necessary. Make sure any recordings are backed up or noted because updates can alter storage. Now power on the SDB, open settings, and navigate to System or Software Update to start the update scan. This kicks off the first actionable process step. You now run the update routine. Select Check for updates and review the version and file size so you know the download time. Once you hit download, let the process complete, monitor the progress, and avoid pressing unrelated buttons that may interrupt installation. If a prompt appears, accept the terms and continue. The SDB will often reboot automatically. Make sure you allow this reboot and don't power cycle mid-install, because interrupting can corrupt the firmware and prolong recovery. Once the installation completes, confirm success by checking settings right arrow about for the new software version and then test live channels, EP, and on-demand playback to ensure functionality. If something goes wrong, first power cycle the box and retry the update. If failures persist, try the factory reset option as a last resort after noting your settings. Make sure to contact Tata Play support if needed. Provide the SDB model, shown version, any error codes, and the troubleshooting steps you've already taken to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.